Okay, hello to one of my first videos. My YouTube name is Cool Doctor Who. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Habbo retro. Not the best of all best, but really good. Cool. Well, first off, some of you may already have xampp, which I already have as well. Most of you should have Winrar, and I have. Right, so I'm going to get straight to the point. To start off, you launch xampp control panel. Once loaded, see that apache and MySQL is running. Then go to your internet and when launched, type okay, let's wait a bit. There, you type http://localhost. I'll bring you up to this page. You click whatever language you're using. I'm speaking and currently using English. Yeah, first you have to go to security. It's not super important, but needed to stop people hacking into your site easily. Okay, so when you've got the page, you click on security here. Okay. When you click on that website, you type whatever password you want. You type whatever you want, if you want to be a cookie or HTTP. I put a HTTP for myself. Okay. Click that if you want. And here we go. There we go. Now, when you're finished, download. Let me just close this. Download something that's been this website. All websites will be in. All links will be in the description. Right, these are the htdoc files, which, once extracted through Winrar, which I have already got, you go to your computer, compacts, whatever your computer's called, xampp and htdocs. Once in htdocs, delete everything in it. Once deleted, download. This was made by pjump2, one of the main creators of Habbo Retros. He created this file, but I programmed the emulator. Right, open. This will take 6 or 7 minutes. So let's get the next part we'll need. Okay, I'll do it this way. You type in. You won't need to type HTTP because you'll already be there. But once on localhost, you type php my admin. Right, and you use the username and password you made some time ago. Right then, it'll bring you up to this page. So then you click on databases. This is the new version of xampp. So what you do is create a database called uberDB. Don't change this part, very important. Once you've created that, you go to download a SQL. This is the best one that works with this one. It's uberData, and you need to have this file. I'll put all, as I said before, I'll put all the links in the description. But this file is really, really important. Right. No. It didn't load. That. So once you've got the SQL, you put it. Never mind. This may take some time, so please bear with me. Okay. Okay, let's just view downloads and see. Everybody watches a remake of an old British comedy about a duchess and her butler. This year there was a spoof with Chancellor Merkel and President Sarkozy. In real life, they're now linked together to save the euro. They meet again in a few days' time to try to agree on greater integration of eurozone policies. Even here in Germany, Europe's strongest economy, the forecasts are for growth not much more than zero. Throughout the rest of Europe, it may well be recession. Sorry for this, it's really slow. I don't know how I'm going to speed up the internet connection with all these cookies and all these pop-ups. They slow you down really badly. And I'll tell you now, if you think this is all a scam, just turn away right now and don't watch the video. Right, once done, just close it because it should be, let's see if it's done. It should be, if you're using Windows 7 is the best. Oh no. Right. So, best to use Chrome. No, I haven't got it. I'll pause the video and come back once ready. Right, we're back. I've got Google Chrome now. Now go to the same place you were supposed to go to get the uberData.sql file. Ferocious pressure from Manchester City, and as we looked as if we were getting a little bit tired and camped outside our penalty area. Of course, you're wanting to see that if we can stand it, if we could stand up to it,
and try and keep going. And we did that. And we did it remarkably well.
Right, as you know, YouTube gives us a strict limit of how long our videos have to be. So I'll come back in part 2. See ya! Don't forget to subscribe.